Good morning, Mobile. We got a call from Hope Hull, Alabama this morning, and we're going up there. We got video equipment we can use to help them, so we're going to go and see what we can do. And I'm excited about that, but I'm also excited about Priester's Pecans because it's on the way. If you pass Priester's Pecans on the way anywhere on a road trip, we can't be friends. We got to go fix a plumbing problem before we do any kind of adventuring. So we're done with the job that we came to do. So there's no way we can make it back to Mobile to do anything, and the guys in Mobile are taking care of that. But there is time to stop by Priester's and also Conecuh. I want to stop by the Conecuh gift shop because we've always passed it, and I knew that you could stop by there and look around. I want to try to see what we can see in here, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, got me a cup of coffee and a little something for my Valentine, headed on back to Mobile. If you were ever wondering where your Conecuh sausage comes from, it comes from here in Evergreen, Alabama. And they have a gift shop